turkey and asparagus stir fry. Here's what you'll need for the stir fry portion of this recipe. And these are the ingredients for the sauce. Chop the asparagus and the bell pepper into 1/2 inch thick slices. Well, chop the asparagus, thinly slice the bell pepper. Set those aside and prepare the sauce. Combine all of the sauce ingredients in a spouted measuring cup, whisking well, and then taste, and if necessary, adjust the flavors by adding a little honey, a little more vinegar, a little more pepper, just whatever tastes good to you. Set the sauce aside and then cook the turkey in a large skillet with a bit of vegetable oil. Especially if you're using very lean turkey, you're going to want a little more vegetable oil. Cook the turkey, breaking it up into crumbles as it cooks until it is no longer pink. Transfer the turkey to a bowl and set that aside. In the same skillet, no need to clean it, add a little more vegetable oil and then the asparagus and the sliced bell pepper. Saute just until the asparagus is crisp tender, and then add the garlic and the ginger. Stir well and cook for about a minute more, or until the mixture is quite fragrant with garlic and ginger. And then return the cooked turkey to the skillet. Give the sauce that you set aside a good whisk, and then pour it into the skillet with the turkey, asparagus, and bell pepper. Stir and cook until everything is evenly coated in the sauce and the sauce has thickened slightly. This will just take a minute or two. And it's ready to serve. You can serve this as is, or serve it over steamed rice, or if you want to eat it chilled, it is delicious in lettuce wraps. I hope you enjoyed this video. For the complete recipe and others, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.